Hey, I heard you guys were... Hey, wait a minute. Did you guys have a customs party without me? That's so not fair. But something's not right about you guys either. Hey, what's going on? Would somebody please talk to me? Oh, hello, special custom doll. Hi, who are you? Your face and hair look familiar, but not your outfit. It's me, Belle. You know, Beauty. Oh, Beauty. Wow, is that what you usually wear? No, not usually. Us customs decided to do a special fun mix-up day. Isn't it so fun? I'm someone else. That does sound fun, but oh, I didn't get to do it. No, I don't feel like I'm one of you. That's okay, we needed to switch back anyway. Come on guys, let's get switched back so everybody can tell who we are. Then maybe we can do another switch up with you. Ooh, that would be so wonderful. Okay, come on guys, let's get switched back. This does look like fun. Our custom dolls have all gotten switched up. They're not wearing the right outfits, so we need to help them get back together so that our other custom doesn't feel so left out. Plus, we've got this LOL surprise under wraps to open up when everybody's been put back. Well, maybe we should go ahead and get started with Belle. She is the one that said we should get switched back anyway. Wow, Belle. This is definitely not your normal dress that I see you in. This says Daddy's Little Monster. Oh no, that's not you at all. I know, I do love my beautiful gold dress. Yeah, so let's find it. There's some other nice dresses around here and fins too. Oh my goodness, it was right next to you. Yes, it was, my friend, Harley. It's me, Harley Beauty, Belle Quinn. That's so funny, you're mixing up our names too. Yeah, but this outfit does not suit me. I mean, I'm carrying around a rose here. I know, it is definitely more my style. What do you say, switch back? Definitely. 1, 2, 3. Oh, back to normal I'd say. Yeah, feels much better. Okay, you two, back over here. Now that you are put back right, we've got to work on everybody else. And this is gonna take a little while. Oh, anybody else ready to get switched back? Oh my goodness, what was that?
I think he wants us to switch.
Okay, who's growling at... Beast, is that you? Beasts have fur, not fins. Oh, Beast, I'm so sorry about this. You're right, you don't belong in a mermaid fin, but you know who does? Ariel. I'm looking for some long flowing red hair. Long but pink, red but not quite as long. Here we go. Ariel. I know, look at my furry feet. Let's switch back. Oh, Beast, it was kind of fun dressing like this and switching. No thank you. Alright, Ariel, let's switch them back. Okay, I do miss swimming with my fin. 1, 2, 3. Da-da-da-da! We did it! Now this makes more sense, doesn't it? Oh, you're such a fussy guy. Come on, off we go. That really was a funny mix-up. Okay, I'm a little confused here. I'm seeing this eat more chicken with a cow's body, but a giraffe's head? Yeah, this is what happens when you mix Toys R Us and Chick-fil-A. You get toy chicken? No, that's silly. Okay, so I'm looking for a cow head then with a giraffe's body. That shouldn't be too hard to find, and it's definitely not. Here we go. Oh, I see. You've got a Toys R Us shirt. Yeah, it was kind of fun being two different animals at the same time. Yeah, we're a mix match. But I really should get back to my job at Toys R Us. I need to go back to Chick-fil-A. Alright, switcheroo time. 1, 2, 3. Oh, much better now. No more mixed up animals. Everybody looks the way they're supposed to. Yeah, now when I go to work, I'll look like I'm supposed to. Me too. It was fun though. Yeah, maybe we'll do it again sometime. Come on. Alright, we've got quite a few of them put back together, but still I'm seeing a lot of mix-up around here. by the way, this dress looks awfully familiar to me. Blue, fancy, sparkly. I mean, look at these slippers. That's really pretty. But something's not matching here. Well, I just wanted to feel like a princess. Oh, so this is a princess dress. Who belongs in a princess dress? Cinderella. Oh, Cinderella. Cinderella, Cinderella, where are you? Yes. I think once we switch this back, it'll make more sense. 1, 2, 3. There we are. Oh, Cinderella. That does look more like you. Thanks for letting me, at least dress like a princess. Oh, anytime. Although I was a little worried. What if the clock struck midnight and I wasn't in my dress? I don't know what would happen. I'm gonna have to find my pumpkin and my little mice friends. Ooh, I'd like to find them too. So, anybody else ready to get switched back? How about us genies? Genies? Oh, shimmer and shine. I didn't even notice you guys were mixed up. Let me see here. Oh, I get it. You've switched up your outfits. You're still genies though, huh? Always. Alright then, so I guess we should get the right clothes back on the right body. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. It was funny wearing your clothes, Shimmer. I know, you too, Shine. I'm thinking maybe next time we could switch with somebody else. I know, like maybe a princess? Oh, I'd love to try out Ariel's fin. Okay, let's do that next time. Yep. Alright, you. I see that you work at McDonald's. Boy, I'd love to go there, but actually, I don't work at McDonald's. You don't? You're wearing your McDonald's outfit. No, this isn't my outfit. Oh, someone else. You're wearing their McDonald's outfit. We've got Belle back and her cow and Ariel and look, someone with red hair and fries in her headband. Yep, that's my outfit for sure. Oh yes, and that's my pretty pink outfit. Oh, I love my leggings. It really is pretty cute. It was fun pretending that I worked at McDonald's. It is fun. You should come try it sometime. Hey, maybe I will. Better get my uniform back though. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Switching things up sometimes reminds you how much you like your own style. That is right. Your own style is the best style. High five. Wow, we've done so many switches. That's gotta be it. I think it's probably time to open up our surprise. Wait, me. Me who? I am Moana. Moana? Oh, whoa. I thought Moana? The hair is dark like Moana's and the outfit is right. No, I am definitely not Moana. Why did I agree to do this? Moana, look at the flower in her hair. Moana, is it you? Yes. Prince Charming and I decided to switch things up. Isn't it silly? It sure is, but I think maybe he's tired of wearing the skirt. Yeah, and these boots actually aren't that comfortable. Switch back? Yes, please. I'm missing my medallion too. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It's good to be dressed like a prince again. And it's good to be dressed as a princess. This is definitely more comfortable for me. Well, I guess if you live on an island, huh? And travel the ocean, I've got to get back to Cinderella. Oh yes, she is your princess, right? Yes. Okay, that must have been it. I mean, the only other ones I see are you guys in. It looks like you're in the right clothes. I mean, you're both so colorful. That's the trick. We switched into things that, well, look like us anyway. So those aren't your right clothes? Nope. Oh, I guess not. This does look more like the tail of a unicorn, huh? Yep, and I miss my sprinkly dress. Oh, I see. All right, Miss Unicorn. Out of those roller skates, okay? And back to your tail. 1, 2, 3. Well, there we go. It was a fun switch. You guys pretty much look the same except for a few details. Now I've got my sprinkles back. And I've got my tail back. Super fun! All right, we did it. Everybody's back the way they're supposed to be. Whew. which means it is time to open up our LOL surprise under wraps. Yay! Someone else gets to join this party, although not a custom doll. That's okay, it's just fun to switch up what you're wearing sometimes. Let me take a look in here. One spyglass. And now to peel this back. Ooh, I like the gold color. It looks golden pink. Let me set this down a minute to take a look at our message. What is this? In a spooky castle? Ooh, time to keep peeling. See what kind of special doll we have in here. Whoa, it is glittery. Awesome, this is super special. It's so glittery. Can't wait to get this one out. So let me start by putting in some codes here. See if we can get these secret spots opened up for surprises. Ah, there we go. Finally got our first one. And what do we have? Okay, our water bottle, yellow and pink. There we go. Cool, nothing special though. Thought maybe it could be glittery or something. Now onto this side. There, got it open. Time to see what it is. All right, pair of red and black sneakers. Here we go, flipping it over. Pop. And whoa, look at how pretty this dress is, such bright colors. All right, now it's time to open up this one. Ooh, there we go. It's open, we've got another package in here. A headband. And look at the pretty flowers on it, just as brightly colored as the dress. Okay, here is our special surprise wrapped in gold. Shall we peel off some of the pieces? Oh, there's her hands. Could we see the feet? That just peeled off. There's the feet. What about, can we see the eyes? One and the other? Look at those eyes. Okay, I can't take it any longer. Oh my goodness, look at this outfit. This leotard, I can see the bones. And she's got these cool fishnet stockings. Pink on the back, black and white on the front. Okay, big reveal. Here we go. It's Bebe Bonita. Isn't she so cool? Wow, look at the spider back here. Really neat. I think she's got something special to show us. All right, Bebe Bonita, in the water you go. What kind of changes will we see? Look at the spider web in her hair. And I can see the dark, almost boot sock. Oh, and I can see a spider web around here too. It's gotten darker. Super cool. All right, let's get you dressed up. All right, let's get this beautiful dress put on you. Just like that. And those red sneakers. Here we go. And we don't want to forget your awesome headband. Now that's one super cool outfit. Want to switch outfits with me? Oh, sure. No, me. But I'm not a custom doll. I know, but we think your costume is so amazing. Oh, thanks. Yeah, sure, let's have some fun. All right, everybody, let's try it again. Yay! In. Okay, oh, here's the little brooch here. I've been to the new salon. Oh yeah, how do you think I got my hair like this? That's why I was wondering. It looks so good. So does yours. Guys. Huh? What's going on? Where are they? Where have they gone? Have you seen them anywhere? What? Everybody's, whoa. Where have all the little pets and sisters gone? That is what I'm asking you guys. I just walked away for a minute. Well, they can't have gone far. They must be close. And what is this thing? I don't remember this. Yeah, what is this? Is this some sort of vending machine? What in the... Whoa, what is all of this? Oh no, it's a vending machine with our pets and little brothers and sisters in there. This is too crazy. We've got to spend money to get them out. Oh, will they even fit down here? Why would they go in there without telling us? You know how they are. They just get curious about stuff. I don't have any money though. Lucky for us, I have my bag right here. Yeah, there's plenty of change in it. Ooh, mind if I go first, guys? I'm really nervous. Oh yeah, not at all. Okay, what did I see up there? Looked like you could do a penny. Oh good, you did have a penny in there. All right, fingers crossed, girls. I hope this works. All right, 1 penny going in. Okay, oh, here's little brooch here. Whoa. Almost knocked me over there. Little brooch here. Yeah, it's me. Look at this awesome stuff I found. You are not supposed to run off, but ooh, what did you find? Let's see, what did he have here? Ooh, Pepsi bottle? Oh wait, no, flavored lip balm. Cherry Pepsi. Ooh, just a little... I like that. Okay, I forgive you. Yeah, plus there's this LOL surprise littles. Let's see what we got. Yes, indeed. Let's see what we've got here. Okay, time to peel this all away. Wrapper layer is off. Let's see. Ooh, style update. Hey, who do you think might be in here? Maybe Wichikite, Cuervo Bonito, or Little Pharaoh Babe? Put your guess in the comments. Now onto our next layer of wrapping. Here I go. And one more. I really want to see who's in here. All right, just about to get this open. Let's see who our fun surprise is. Da-da-da. Here we go. Woo, come on. I gotta get all this kind of pulled back here so I can go ahead and tear it open. Oh, come on. There we go. Ooh, fun sunglasses. You see this with the pink rims and there's like little hearts in the center? Those are super neat. All right, on to the next surprise, like this. Open. There we go, and whoa. Awesome bright pink bag with this black on it and the faces. So cool. I'll put my sunglasses in there. And then I'll check out who we've got in here. Let's see, ready or not, we've got Cuervo Bonito. So cool. Oh, and I can't wait to see what you're gonna do in some cold water. But we've got to wait to get the others out of here. Well, that turned out to be kind of fun. And my new lip gloss can go in here. But I still have a problem. I'm missing Pup Cheer. I saw Pup Cheer in there. You did? I don't see her face on the outside. I know, I can try one. Let me do it. Are you sure? Yes, I'm a big boy. I can do it. Well, all right. We'll stand over here. All right, you did a penny. So I'm gonna do this shiny nickel. Whoa, here I go. Here goes my nickel. Where was that? Oh yeah, I think down here, number 4. Yeah. I was right. Hi, Pup Cheer. Oh, I'm so glad you're back. And what's this? I know, Fuzzy Pet. No, what's that? A yummy donut? No, I think. Yeah, it's another lip gloss. Sweet and pink and glossy, my favorite. Okay, now we can check out the Fuzzy Pet. What an exciting day. Another surprise to open up here. Wow. Do you see this? Let's check out the message. We've got Fur Baby. Who do you think this Fur Baby could be? Jiving Kitty? Go-Go Birdie? Or Yin Hoot? Put your guess in the comments. Okay, whoever you are, I'm coming to get you. Unwrapping and unwrapping some more. Oh my goodness, this one doesn't exactly want to come off like it's supposed to. But I'm down to the last layer of wrapping. I can see the bottle. I'm ready to get inside. So here I go. Ooh, it's time to check out some surprises. So much stuff in here. And at the bottom of it all, Sandbox even. Let's start with this first little bag. And we've got a yellow scoop here, little heart in the center. And then with this bag, we find a water bottle, pink and yellow. Very cute. This bag is our chain. What have we here? Oh, a cute little hat. That is super adorable. It's a little pink beret with the white flower on top. Now I want to dig into this sandbox. I got my scoop already. Just gonna give it a little unwrapping and get this lid off. Ooh, a fun teal blue color. Time to dig away. All right, seems like, what is this here? Can I get it out? Oh, is it some sort of little, like, decorative collar? That is really pretty. Little kind of yellow-white checker pattern and this pink on the side. Now our big reveal. We get to see what we have inside. And it is a fuzzy pet. It is all bright pink fuzzy. Okay, we've got to get these fuzzies off. One fuzzy pet in this bath. Little water bath here. Oh, birdies love to take a little water bath. Little bird bath is what we call it. When you just kind of spritz off. You just get all cleaned up. Because we want to see you all cleaned up. Are we ready to get these fuzzy fuzzes off? Let's try. Oh, yes. Think they might be just about ready to come off. Oh, I see your little feet. They're so cute. And then what am I seeing here? Is that a little birdie wing? Oh, guess what? It's just peeling off the top of you. Maybe we can give it a little bit of help. Just wait till you see when this little friend comes out. See this? She's almost all cleaned up. Well, look at that. It's Go-Go Birdie. Go-Go Birdie, I'm gonna get this collar around you, and then how does this hat fit you? Hey, it fits pretty nice. It is very cute on you. Hey, did you guess that we would get Go-Go Birdie and Cuervo Bonito? If so, say I got it in the comments. And I know we want to see what you guys can do, but let's rescue everybody out of this vending machine first. Okay, I've gotten everybody that I needed and more. It's one of your turns. Yes, and I think that will be me. I'll just dig around here for some change. Aha, this is it, my dime. One dime, there you go. And how about one little sister? Hey look, I got surprises too. Oh wait, is my little sister in here somewhere? I'm here. Ooh, let me get ya. Alright, now you were not supposed to go in there. I know, but I wanted to find that surprise. Did you bring back a lip gloss too? Of course. Ooh, an LOL surprise lip gloss with Merbaby on it. Let's see. Super cool, it's purpley. And an LOL surprise pet? Yeah, let me see. I want to see what kind of pet is in here. We've gotten a couple already for this cheer. Let's get some more. You will just let me in here. Alright, got a little message here. I need a spyglass for this. Okay, Drama Queen. Really? Let's see who our Drama Queen is. Alright, I bet this little pet really wants to get out. Okay. Fun surprise for everyone. Whoa, Sandbox Surprises. Alright, some surprises first from this LOL surprise pet. Ooh, a teal kitty scoop. Next up, ooh, a shimmery teal water bottle. Something else teal maybe in here? Nope, not teal, but gold. 4 gold shoes. Time for the sandbox. Kind of fun because a lot of times the shoes are actually in the sandbox. So what surprise do we have in here if it's not the shoes? I'm gonna find out. I'm just digging away and digging away, and I see something down here. Whoa, look at this collar. It's teal and golden, so beautiful. Okay, here we go. Who's in here? Let me see. It's Ancient Meow. How exciting. Okay, let's get all these gold shoes on her feet. On her little paws, I should say. All right, there we go. There's all her little kitty shoes. And we don't want to forget about this awesome collar for around her neck. That is one fancy kitty cat. Maybe Pharaoh Babe would like to wear this collar. Well, I've done good getting my little sister. Now to get my little pet. Not you. It's my other one. I guess you guys went in together. 1 quarter. Here we go. There you are. Oh, my little bunny, you came back. Ah, and you brought me a lip gloss too? Reese's Cup chocolate and peanut butter. Yes, I love chocolate and peanut butter together. This is perfect. I've got to try not to eat this. All right, now it is my turn. I've got one little sister and one little bunny to get out of there. I'm gonna take care of what I need. I'm taking everything so I can get them both at once. Penny, nickel, dime, quarter. That should do it. I need you and you. Ooh, a Crunch Bar? Crunch Bar flavored lip balm. Yeah. Yummy chocolate. Oh, and my little Instagold. Wait a minute. That's not. Oops, baby. Wanted ice cream. I don't think this is ice cream either. A little twist and a pop. It's not. It's lip gloss. It's pink and shimmery. All right, you two. Looks like we've got everybody. But wait, we can't go. We haven't seen what the new pets can do. That's right. Here we go. 1 Cuervo Bonito. All right, I've got some pretty cold water here, but gotta be honest, I'm not really noticing much color change. You can see the ribs here, but you could kind of see them before anyway. So, well, there you have it. Let's see what a little go-go birdie can do. She's gonna squirt water at you. And our Ancient Meow. Watch out. Accidents happening. All right, come on everybody. We better go before we lose them again. Come on, come on. Oh boy, who do we have here? A little pet or a little sister? Put your guess in the comments. Whoa, we did it, we found the potty store. Yeah, it means we can get a new potty for us. Yeah, it's something that's not for little babies. I know, something better. Whoa, but there's so much here to see. How do we choose one? I don't know, we need some help. Hello, is anybody working here? Yeah, hello, we need some help. Whoa, what's happening? Whoa, a fuzzy bed works here? Whoa, somebody else works here too. Oh, little sis? Hey, that's me. Oh yeah, and little pets. Whoa, what's it gonna be? Who works here? I don't know, let's find out. Yeah, because we really need some help here. Oh boy, who do we have here? A little pet or a little sister? Put your guess in the comments. Now let's see here. We're gonna need some help in this little potty store for our little brother and little sister. And let's see what our little riddle message is here. This is Makeup Queen. It's a makeup queen. All right. Now that we know that, we can keep digging in. Time to peel our stuff away. I always seem to have a hard time with this layer. It never wants to come off like it's supposed to. But I'll get it off anyway. All right, now another one. Here we go. We are so close. Let's go. Big, giant pink curler. Just need to pop this off. And it looks like something's already sticking out over here. Whoa, everything's slipping out of my hands. Surprises, surprises. I've got some surprises. Yes. Let me check out these awesome surprises. Ooh, a gold hat. That's pretty special. And then here is some gold shoes. Those are really cute. And now, whoa, what do we have here? Little Instagold. Just look how cute and adorable you are. Hey, I'd love to see how you change colors. Little Instagold. I see pink. Do you see pink? Not just gold, but pink. Even pink stripes. Do you see it? So cute. Instagold turns Insta-pink. Hello, you two. Hey, little Instagold. So can you help us pick out potty? Certainly. What do you think about this one? Let's try it out. I do like how soft it is. Are you kidding? No way. This is not the kind of potty for a little boy, but it's good for a little girl. Well, we do want to make everybody happy, so let's keep looking. Oh, look at this one. There's a fishy in it. It's pink. No, absolutely not. Come on, be fair. We have to both like it. Okay. This one has orange. No, that's not the right kind for me. I'm afraid I don't know how to help you here. Maybe I should get my associate. And here's my associate. Your associate? Yeah, it's like my helper. But it's a fuzzy pet. How can a pet help? She knows all about potties. Well, let's get her out and ask her. You got it. Well, I would like to know what this fuzzy pet can do to help out our situation. Does this pet really know all about potties? That seems kind of funny, but we've got to at least ask. Okay, then what do we have here? Oh, look at this. New coat. It's always fun to get a new coat. And that's funny. Maybe it's a pet's coat. You know, sometimes they get a thicker coat in the winter time with their fur. And then in the summertime, they lose some of their fur so that they can cool off. All right, just about got it here. Time to get this third layer off. All right, nice pink bottle here. Want to open carefully. Got it. Stuffed full of surprises. I like how stuffed it looks. We don't want to forget at the bottom, our sandbox. So many surprises to open. I wonder who we could have in here. Do you think it could be Kansas Canine, Nay Majesty, or Raccoon Astronaut? Put your guess in the comments. Couple things to check out first. I think I know what this is. Yep, it's our chain and handle for our bottle. And then what do we have here? Tearing it open. Getting out, oh, my little red shovel. And here we go. What's next? Ooh, a tablet. Ooh, a sparkly silver tablet. That's pretty nice. And let's see. Oh, it's a little map of different places to go. And what do we have here? Whoa, a bottle of bubbles. It's a really cute little bottle. It's kind of red and glittery. Really fun. I'll just pop that open very carefully and do a little bubble time. Now we're going to get into this sandbox because I know there's another surprise in here. And oh, how I love surprises. Let's get this open. Okay. Ooh, I've been noticing it. The sand doesn't quite exactly fill in all of the space. That's okay. I think I can just go ahead and dig some. Oh, I'm already digging out what's in here. Looks like a little collar. We've got red, white, and blue. Gotta get some of that sand off. Pretty red bow, little white and blue kind of checkered pattern. Really cute. Let me just double check and dig around in here. Make sure there's nothing else hiding. Dump it out because it is also just fun to play with. Whoa, it's so cool. All right, that is going back into the sandbox. I love how easy this stuff is to clean up. I can get all my extra pieces here and put the lid back on. Okay, here's our big moment. Did you put your guess in the comments? Let's see if you were right. I see fuzz. That's all I see right now is kind of a peachy pinky fuzz. And looking so super adorable so far. Okay, Miss Fuzzy, time to get you cleaned up. I'm gonna make a little water bath for you. Okay, here's your little water bath. Bath time is fun. Okay, let's play. Just dunk you down in there. Aren't you the cutest? All right, let's see. Gonna see if I can kind of get you cleaned up here. Can I clean off what's going on here? Let's see. Oh yeah, that's coming off nicely. Get all that off. You've got these cute little pigtails here I want to check out. See, it's fun that you can kind of clean them off. It's a little bit at a time. Get that cleaned up. And I'm going to do the other side. Oh, look. She's gotten so wet. It's all just peeling off all your fuzzies. Wow. So cool how the fuzzies just come off. Let's see if I can hide your face for a little bit. We'll just get in between the legs. And we got to get the paws cleaned up. Oh, around the bottom. And over here on this side. You look so cute. Alright, is it time to clean off your face now? You get a little bit more of your head. You are super duper adorable. Okay, time to see your face. Here we go. Ugh, don't get the fuzzies in your mouth. My cutie little fuzzy girl. Oh, think I know who you are. Let's dip you in the bath some more and get you rinsed off. Yes, you've been playing in the tub a long time. What are you talking about? What? Oh no, you had to go potty. Oh, keep it in the tub at least. Don't squirt anybody. All right, who we have here is Kansas Canine. Did you guess we would get Kansas Canine? If so, say I got it in the comments. I love her little collar. So cute. She's got the little earrings in her ear. Super duper adorable. Okay, can you help us out? Woof, woof. Kansas Canine, these two are looking for a potty that's good for both of them. They don't want a baby potty, but they need something good for a little girl and a little boy. Can you help them? Okay, she says stay here. Whoa, whoa, what's going on? Oh, we've got 3 choices, huh? All right, let's take a look. Oh, look at this. It even has a little girl's picture on it, like me. And there's a privacy door. Yeah, and look, a boys' potty. Wow, I think this one might be perfect. Okay, but let's look at the others just to make sure. Right. Oh, this one's nice too. It's kind of woodsy. Let me check in here. Oh yes, this is nice privacy. It might be a little big though. And this looks like I'm going potty on a tree. I don't think this one is right for us. Nah. Here's the last one. There is a blue boys potty. And there is this little girls potty with the door. How will we decide? Which one do you like best?